Carbon Fiber. Hey guys, back again working on the E36 here. Today we're going to be installing some glass headlights, and we're also going to be installing that hood and back all this junk. But anyways, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I sold the Prelude. Reason being is because I just need a more reliable car. That car was cool, and I had a lot of plans for it. I'm probably gonna clean this out. It's a little crusty. So let's get into it. Forgot to mention, I also got some Depo clear signal lights. As you can see, it's pretty shiny. Ooh, what was that? It's pretty clear compared to the this one. So I'll just run with it. Fuck it. I mean, it is what it is. I think these are plastic, so it doesn't matter. The problem I have now is that one of the clips that hold this on it broke, so I'll have to figure out some way to hold this that'll hold this in. All right, get this off. Gonna disconnect all these wires, and then the signal light. So it's not like that, and then a couple bolts here, there, and then we summon down in the crevice over here, and they should just pop right out. Not like that. I have a plan. I'm gonna drill some holes in here. And then if I think I have some out to look for, I think I have some zip ties. I'm just gonna zip tie this in, and that should work. I know this is taking a little bit longer than usual to install these, but it is what it is. Battery. Go with this one. Fuck. And just like that, she is zip tied on the bottom too. So I know this isn't the ideal way of doing it. Honestly, the ideal way would be to buy everything properly, brand new, but you know, nothing wrong with going a little custom on your shit. So I'm gonna install this one first, and then I'll show you guys how it looked. Just call me a certified zip tied technician. Well, I haven't bolted them on yet, but I can tell you from just looking at them, it's pretty sick. These are a bit too clear, I mean, in comparison to this, but I don't really care. Depo is Depo. But yeah, so just gonna install the wiring, or the bulbs. We'll see how it looks with the lights turned on. And just like that, it works. Alright, so the headlights are finally in. Now I'm gonna move on to that fucking heavy ass hood over there. So I guess the first thing I can probably do here is probably get some wood, support this or something, because I don't want this to fall on me. That's gonna hurt real bad. So let's see if that'll hold it. So this is really dangerous. Do not do this. I really hope I don't lose a finger. But it's okay. There's a bunch of 10mm over here that hold this bracket in, and then I believe this is a 10. Yeah, 10. Yeah, it's a bunch of 10 millimeters that hold this hood up. And I think what I'll do, go just remove this first, and then this. And then hopefully we'll be fine. Booty cheeks. Oh. And with that, the hood is off. Forgot to take off the sprayers over here. The little hose for the sprayer. So now, this off, we're gonna transfer over some of these brackets here for the hood struts. I actually got some new hood struts over here somewhere. Here, first one, number 2. I'll put these struts on first, and then I'll go from there. Yeah. So this thing actually kind of helped. I guess I have to. Yeah, got one bolt there lined up. Now I need to just get the bottom one on both sides, and then already this thing looks looking kind of sick. Yeah, basically just putting it on is just bolting it up, and then we're also gonna put on the spray nozzles after we install. And there you have it. The hood is officially on. Just a couple things here I show you before I take off. Let me pull this. Make sure you remove your nozzles for your spray, because I forgot to take that off before I removed it. Kind of just have to, work your way around and just try to balance everything. Don't use this as your prop. Probably use like I would have used my engine hoist, but it's gone. So worked pretty nice. I made sure everything's all tight. To get these hood struts off, if you look over here on the top kind of blurry. These clips actually hold on to this little dent in here. I don't know if you can see it. It just clips on there and it holds it. I happen to put mine backwards, the clips, so I just flipped it around and made it all good. I broke one of my nozzles on here. Can't barely see it. I broke one of the nozzles. So I only have one shooting. That's what she said. Sure, that's on there. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video. If you liked what you saw, subscribe. Give you a help. If it helped you out, awesome. If it didn't, well, sorry. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.